Hi everyone, and thank you very much for joining me in this tutorial. So here in this one we are going to talk about this laundry application wherein you can place order for laundry. Okay, now there are some options which are there in the bottom of this application if you see. So whatever things you want to give to the laundry, you can simply add the items using these add buttons, and then you can place the order. How these things happens and how you can use this application, that is what I will be talking about in this tutorial. Right, so stay tuned with me. Let's dive into the tutorial right away without wasting any time. So this is the page which the user is going to see when he will first open the application. So basically you'll have to create your own profile by visiting the sign up screen, and once you do that, automatically it will redirect you to the page which I just showed you, where you see the different items and the search box and everything. Right now, because I have already created some accounts on this application, so I will be using one of them for logging into the app. abhinavgmail.com, that is the ID with which I just created a profile, and I'm going to just log in using the same. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so it says the ID maybe is not correct. Let me try something else. So there is a validation also that is there in place. Okay, and if I just type the password now, I think I should be able to log in this time. Okay, I'm able to log in into the application, right? And this is the page where the items and everything gets visible to the user, right? Now, on the top, as you can see, we can see the location of the user. So it's my location, right? The current location of mine, and then we have a search box over here with the help of which we can search for anything present in the application, right? We have an image over here, right? Then we have this you know slide bar, okay, which works like this. If you want to add more images to this, you can definitely do that. Okay, and then we have this beautiful scrolling section where we have different items present. Now let's add the items one by one. So I would like to give two jeans, right? And okay, let's make it three, no problem. And then let's come down, let's add some t-shirts. So I would like to give two t-shirts. Fine, and then let's come down and add shorts. Okay, let's add two shorts now. Fine, or let's make it three. I think that will be fine. Okay, let's add some shirts also. So, the way these items are given in this scrolling list, you can add as many items as you want. So there is no section with the help of which you can add the items dynamically to this list. But if you want to create something like that, definitely, you can create a page or a component, and from there you can, render the component on this screen. Now I'm done with adding the required items to the list. Let's see the next steps. So we have this button down over here which says proceed to pickup. Let's see that how it works. Okay, so here we see a calendar, and let's select a time wherein we would like the laundry guy to come to our house and pick up the items from our house. Delivery date, okay, select item, I would like select time, so 1 p.m., and I would like to go for 25. So 25 set is Saturday, right? So that is correct. And then delivery date, okay, 2 to 3 days. And let's now proceed to the cart. Okay, so this is where I get to see, the total bill. So it's 193, which I will have to pay. Delivery is free of cost. Okay, total items cost is 98, and besides that there are some other pricing which may have been added by the laundry guy to this 98. That's why I'm seeing 193 over here. Okay, now if you want to add some more items, okay, you want to increase the number of jeans, you can do that right away over here. You don't have to go back to that page and do it again. So let's do it here. I have increased the number of jeans from 2 to 3 and shorts from 3 to 4. Let's see the revised price. So it is 217 now. And now I'm going to place the order. Let's see what's going to happen. So the moment user places the order, he gets to see this screen and your order has been placed. Right. So we have successfully placed our order, and that is how this application works. It's a very, very simple application and very useful. Right. And I hope this. If you do this application, this will definitely help you in understanding the basics of React Native. How the image can, how can we get images on the screen? How can we make this kind of a section? How can we make this slideshow kind of a thing? And how can we do add these items and all? So these are some very very basic things which you require uh, while developing e-commerce based applications. So this is one app that you can use for understanding the basics. And if you want to learn to develop these kind of applications from me, you can contact me on the number which is getting reflected on your screen. I am there to help you guys out, and definitely I will be happy to deliver and develop applications for you. If you are a business runner and you want me to develop an application for your business like this, I will be happy to do that. So this is it from my side in this lecture. I hope you guys liked it. Bye bye, take care, and have a great, great day ahead, guys.